The NIA has deepened the probe in Ambani bomb scare mystery. Sources have informed India Today that the NIA has taken over Mansukh Hiren's murder case. The Home Ministry has transferred the case as the probe agency believes there's a larger conspiracy behind the Ambani bomb scare mystery. Earlier, sources informed India Today that the murder conspiracy is linked to the gelatin found in the Scorpio near Ambani residence. Mansukh Hiren was allegedly the owner of explosive-laden Scorpio. He was reportedly picked up by ATS for investigation and later deposed before the CIU, of which Sachin Waze is a member. He went missing on 4th of March and his body was found a day later in Thane Creek. Saurabh Vakhtania is now joining us for the latest. Saurabh, this is all pointing towards a larger conspiracy as the NIA suspects. If you could just walk our viewers through what this larger conspiracy could be. Is this a politically linked conspiracy? Does this show the complicity of Mumbai police at large? And several members of the Mumbai police are suspected to be involved with Sachin Waze at this point.
Well, Chachi, like you mentioned, this is a larger conspiracy for sure, and how complex this whole case is, that is very much clear, and how very well Sachin Waze may have planned, or maybe an over-ambitious plan, because you know how this whole thing was planned. 17th Feb, Mansukh Hiren's cars get stolen, and next day he files a complaint. 25th, the same car is found outside industrialist Mukesh Ambani's residence with gelatin sticks and threat letter. Now, this particular person, Mansukh, is known to Sachin Waze. That was not known to anyone. He did not even said this to his superiors. The crime branch senior police officials told that they didn't knew that Mansukh and Sachin Waze knew each other. So, anywhere, both the cases, be it the Mansukh death case and the Antilia bomb scare case, both are co-related. They were very much hand in gloves. They knew each other. They knew what they were doing. And this is what the NIA has found out and established this particular link. Now, what we have been learned from our sources, what all statement which the ATS Maharashtra has taken, I must tell you, there are some of the crime branch senior inspector whose statement has been taken by the ATS in the Mansukh Hiren death case. They've also went to several of the CCTV footage. There are also eyewitnesses in the cases. So they have huge compile of all the documents and evidences in this case. Those all will be submitted to NIA. What the NIA is saying that this is not our jurisdiction, but yes, the explosive case is now
yes, Saurabh is getting us these very explosive details right there. It's source-based information, Saurabh, that you're getting us from your top-level sources in the NIA. Hold on with us right there. The NIA has intensified the probe into Ambani bomb scare case, as Saurabh just mentioned. Deepening its grip on Waze, NIA has obtained the arrested cop's call records and fingerprint details from 25th of February. Sources have told India Today that NIA is investigating all the CCTV footage grabs of the hotels where the controversial cops used to have meetings. Further, to track Sachin Waze's movement prior to his arrest, the NIA is tracing his mobile number down. Sources also reveal that NIA is going to be probing the motive behind this case as it suspects involvement of other police officers of the Mumbai police as well. Yesterday, the NIA team took suspended cop to the crime spot near Mukesh Ambani's residence Antilia to recreate the entire crime scene, as they believe it was Waze, that is Sachin Waze, clad in a kurta, walking in the CCTV footage. To ascertain it is the same person or not, the NIA and Pune's Forensic Science Lab recreated the entire scene. NIA says that this is going to be a very crucial piece of evidence against Sachin Waze. Let's now tell you in detail how the crime scene recreation took place yesterday outside Antilia. A little after 10:40 p.m. on Friday night, suspended cop and prime accused in Ambani bomb scare case, he was brought to the crime scene at Carmichael Road, which is the official residence of industrialist Mukesh Ambani. As you can see from the video that you can see at the moment, this is the recreation of this crime scene. Sachin Waze was brought out there. Waze, wearing a trouser and a shirt, was asked to walk a few times while the Central Forensic Lab team captured details using camera. Few other measuring instruments as well. We're showing you how Waze was asked to walk at the spot a couple of times from what you can see from the video that we've accessed right here. A while later, he was asked by the NIA officials as well to get into the car, wear a kurta, tie a handkerchief on his head as well. As you can see, there is a handkerchief tied over his head. So this is what the team asked him to do. Waze was asked to dress in a similar attire in which the man on the 25th of February was seen wearing and walking outside Antalya. So this is the 25th February footage where you can see this man walking outside Antalya. He's also wearing a kurta and that white handkerchief, and Waze was asked to wear the same and walk, just to kind of figure out whether it is the same walk, whether it is the same man. Of course, the forensic team is conducting all of this, so it is going to be done rather very scientifically. Waze was then again asked to take position at the middle of the road and walk to the footpath on the left towards Antalya, which happens to be Ambani's residence. So he was made to walk on the footpath. This is a football for those of you who are familiar with the way Antalya is on Carmichael Road in the Altamount Road area. There's a footpath right there, and there is a footpath that goes right towards Antalya, and this is coming in from the northern side of Carmichael Road towards the southern side, and that's exactly where he was asked to walk. So that's the recreation of the crime scene, and the visuals help you understand how the NIA is working to probe this case further.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.